Recently, I have received many comments of my subscribers that ma'am, only 3 months are left. What should we do? What can we do to improve our fluency level? There are many problems which are being discussed in the comment section. So I found it quite useful, and you will be surprised that I have found the solution for your all problems in just 6 letters. Yes, dear audience, just 6 letters will give you a perfect plan for your fluency within 3 months. What are those 6 letters and how they can improve your fluency? We are going to implement it in 90 days, means 3 months, and before 2025 you will enter in your spoken area of English language. What are those 3 letters, 6 letters, and how they can define your plan? Because earlier I have discussed many plans, but this plan is different and I am super excited to discuss it with all my subscribers, and it will be a gift for you before 2025, when you will begin or when you will make different kind of resolutions. So stay tuned till the end of the video and you will be highly amazed and you will learn a lot of things during this video. What is this? First, let me introduce the 6 letters, and the 6 letters start with speak up. SPEAKUP. 6 letters. Only 6 letters will define your plan and how they can define your plan. Let me discuss it very clearly. I am super excited because this formula is different from other formulas, because your problems are your hidden problems, your hurdles lie in this solution. This single solution will define how you can improve your fluency, how you can tackle all your problems relating to English language. This video is so special. So let's start this video. And if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe it with at least your 10 friends so they can get benefit before 2025, because we cannot and we shall not start our 2025 with so many past regrets that if I had attempted this, if I had attempted that plan, if I have acted upon this plan or that plan, I would have become successful. No, I don't want my subscribers to produce all these lines. So what is this plan? How these 6 letters can define your journey towards your fluency, towards your destination. So first, give me a promise. Have a promise. And what is that promise? Promise is that you will act upon this plan. Only this plan should be acted upon during these 3 months. During these 3 months means 90 days. No other thing, only this plan. Then you will have to accept this challenge. Then you have to watch this video till the end. If you are not interested, if you are just watching this video for the sake of watching, if you are not an active learner, then you should stop this video and just go towards another video. This is your choice. But if you are really serious, you are really desirous, and you are really earnest, then you should watch this video till the end. Because if only one subscriber can get benefit out of this video, I will consider myself as a successful teacher. So what is this plan? I am disclosing my plan. You should be active learner. Active learner through this video. Active. What you are supposed to do, you have to do your actively participating in this journey of fluency through 6 letters. So the very first letter, S stands for speak. How can you speak? There is a specific process, because speaking is the hardest or the most challenging task of every English learner. Every English learner finds this hard to speak English language. In fact, he chooses his best to remain silent rather than speaking. And if you are supposed to speak before the people, you are the last one to speak. You are the last one to speak. This is the situation of all English learners because of different kind of phobias. Because I will feel hesitant, people will make fun of me and all these things. Now it's the time to speak. How to speak? First of all, you have to choose the topic. I will give you a detailed description how you can choose the topic. How can you choose? Ask the question. Because I have not come here with empty handed. I have made a perfect plan for you. Perfect plan. I have searched a lot. Then I have decided that this video should be made for you. Now, first thing, you have to choose the topic. How you can choose the topic? There are many questions. How we can choose the topic? I have a solution with you. I will discuss in the video. Next, you have to speak for 1 minute continuously without any pause. After speaking, you have to record yourself what you have been trying. After recording yourself, you have to listen back in order to understand the quality of your voice, the quality of your gestures, the quality of your facial expressions, how confident you look while speaking, while argumenting, while giving your suggestions. This is very much important. If your voice is not good, if your body language is not good, if you are not communicating through your body language, it means you are a failure. You have to work on this ground. Now the question arises, ma'am, how can we select question? We are blank. We are blank. You should give us a plan. Now the plan is that you just have to open the Google, then find out question generator, and there will be a question generator before you, and you can generate as many questions as you can, and it will be a highest benefit for you, that because the question will be generated before you, and you can search these questions on random topics on Google, and you will see and you will find ample topic, ample content for you to speak. So the first situation is erased. The next question, P. P stands for, now the P stands for plan, day in English. Yes, you have to plan on daily basis, not for weeks, not for months. This is urgent. Plan daily in English language. Now you have to just figure out which area is supposed to be improved, which area is your weakest area. Now for example, speaking is your weakest area, because you have written a lot, you have read a lot, you have listened a lot, but still you are unable to speak. Now here your first level will help you a lot. Now you have to generate material content by the help of this Google generator question tags to speak. After that, you have to speak a lot. Next, very important thing is E. E stands for emulate native speaker. Now what is emulation? Emulate means to copy, to imitate in the positive sense to the native speakers. Now how this process can help you, and what is the process? First of all, you have to choose short clip.
It's
less
amazing.
than 1 minute.
What's amazing?
From Google, from YouTube, from any other media, just below than 1 minute. Now what you are supposed to do, you have to listen it for 5 times. You have to listen it for 5 times. When you are listening it repeatedly, it will be imprinted in your mind, and you have to imitate the sentence structures, the sentence patterns, how the words are being produced, and in this way your listening skills will be improved. Your listening skill will be improved, and when you will try to imitate your spoken English, your speaking powers will be enhanced. And when you will read with text, with subtitles, your reading skills will be improved also. Now, next, A stands for act out scenarios. Act out. Now, what is this act out scenarios? Act out scenarios, my dear audience, is to display role play. You can take the role of any situation. For example, you are going to appear in an interview. Very common example. Now you have to play the role of interviewer and interviewee. You have to get a collection of questions normally are usually asked in an interview. You have to get the answer of those questions from Google. Now you have the content of questions of interviewer and answers of interviewee. Now you have to play the role of interviewer and interviewee. First you have to ask the question as an interviewer. Then you have to answer the questions as an interviewee. What will be the benefit? The benefit will be that you will be well prepared. If you are going to present yourself in a presentation, you have to do this role play. As if you are presenting, as if you are in the meeting room. If you are going to face the audience and deliver your thoughts, just gather the thoughts, just gather the material and play this role. It will boost up your confidence. It will give you preparedness. It will give you alertness. It will give you ample of ideas and knowledge to deliver. And this readiness, this preparedness is the key factor towards your fluency. Now K. What is this K? K stands for keep a vocabulary log. Yes, keep a vocabulary log on daily basis. Now I am not suggesting you should gather 15 words, 100 words daily. No, it's not possible. I suggest you just keep 5 words, 5 vocabulary words. But the condition is that when you are going to speak, when you are going to select the topic, incorporate these 5 words in your spoken topic so that you can utilize. Utilization is the most important factor. Now, up. U stands for use what you are learning. What you are learning through the video clips, what you are learning through the vocabulary log, just incorporate it in your topics. You have to actively using all these vocabulary words, all these things. Next, P stands for personal reflection, personal progress, personal analysis. Yes, not on yearly basis, not on monthly basis, not on weekly basis, but on daily basis. When you are going to bed, just focus. Have you fulfilled your plan of today? Because as I have earlier mentioned, you have to actively participate in this challenge. Only then you have to accept this challenge. If you are not interested, just skip this video. Just skip this video. But if you are earnestly desirous to improve your fluency level, only then you have to watch this video till the end. And after that, you have to make me a promise before the plethora of promises being declared on the eve of 2025 that I will do this, I will do that. No. At this right moment, because this is the right moment to make promises. And you have to make only one promise. Stick to this only single steady plan. And you will see remarkable, significant change which you want to achieve in your spoken English. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, kindly share it with your all family members, friends, and all your near and dear ones, so that they can have a look on this plan, on this challenge from a different perspective. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.